This is the Cherry Pick channel. Python tutorial videos. Installing Pycharm. Before we start learning Python, we need to install a code editor. For our training, I advise you to install the Pycharm free version right away. Type Pycharm download in the search engine and the first link will be to the official website. I will also leave a link under the video. On the site you will find two editions, Professional and Community. We will download the free version of Community. Click Download. Pycharm is a professional Python development environment. But even for beginners, it will be very clear and useful, as it has a lot of hints, shows errors and corrects your code in accordance with the PEP standards. After installation, I'll show you some useful tricks that will save you time writing code. Run the downloaded file in the Downloads folder. Click Next. This is the installation path. Here click the check mark to create a shortcut to the program on the desktop. Add our Pycharm to the path. You can add a context menu which is useful when you write a lot of code. And this will allow you to open all files with the extension .py in Pycharm. Click Next. Start the program installation. After installation, we will launch Pycharm and I will show you how convenient it is. I'll restart the computer later, but for now, click Finish. On your desktop, find the program's shortcut and launch it. Let's create our first project. Select the path and folder where the project will be saved. We don't need the main file yet, so you can uncheck this box. I will create a Pycharm projects folder on my desktop and store my projects there. Also use a / to write the name of your project. Let's say this is project 1. You can use different versions of Python for each project. If you need a different version, you can download it and specify it here. For a new project, we will work with the latest up-to-date version. These are project files that Pycharm creates automatically and they contain basic libraries. I'll create some new files. I choose to create a new Python file and name the first file as file 1. Then I will create another one and name the file 2. In Pycharm, we can divide a window into different areas and work in each of them. Sometimes this is convenient. Let's say I start writing the function name and Pycharm tells me the available names. This is very convenient, especially if the names of the functions you create are long. Starting code execution via Pycharm. In the lower window, we see the result of code execution. Let's write something in the second file. And we'll launch it too. Now we can run both files through this window. There is also a run button to the left of the lower window. In Pycharm, you can write and delete code simultaneously in different lines. To do this, hold down Alt and select the lines in which you need to change or write the code. Now you can write the print function 4 times at a time, for example. I see that the code of the second file is now running. Great, all typed up. I can change or add code. Hold down Alt and click the lines you want to change until the cursor blinks. This trick may come in handy. If you write the function name incorrectly, Pycharm will tell you that it doesn't find such a function. If I execute this file, I will get an error. Read the error messages carefully. We see that the second line has a name that doesn't exist. Pycharm itself highlights the problem code and even offers a solution that will help fix the error. I am offered to create such a function. Let's say I choose his solution, then he will create a function for me named printy that doesn't do anything yet. If I execute this code, it won't write anything, because the function itself doesn't do anything. There is no error in my code anymore. In the next lessons we will learn functions. It's interesting and simple. Subscribe to the channel and learn Python with the Cherry Pick channel.